Hey everybody, welcome to Best MSL episode 2 of the Hanua Kudona remakes. Today we're looking at was, is, and is to come, and this is based off the Revelation verse and nohomu and nohova ona baine noho. In Motogato, the tenses follow a general pattern of past tense was, you say the verb plus va. If you're saying it's currently happening, you say the verb plus mu. And if you're saying that it is to come or it will follow, you'll say do baine, and then you use it in a infinitive sense. So from Revelation 1:4, you can see that it says enohomu enohova bona baine noho diravana. So this translates as he is alive, enohomu enohova, he was, and bona and baine noho means he will be alive, diravana. So in the Bible we say who was and is to come, and in Motogato in the Book of Halag it says enohomu enohova bona do baine noho, and I use that example to help you understand was, nohova, is, nohomu, and is to come, do baine noho. Okay, so now you know the general rule of the tenses. Let's try to use that rule in conjugating the word digu, which means shower in Motu. So I showered. Let's try launa digu va. I was showering at the time. That's what digu va means. He's showering, iane digu mu. Or you would in slang just say iane digum. So you meld those words together. And then finally, they will shower. Idia do baine digu. Digu remains the same in its infinitive form. So, launa digu va, I was showering. Iane digum, he's showering at the moment. Idia do baine digu, they will shower later. So you've learnt the general senses on how to change from was and is to come. Now let's look at the more specific time framing on things. We're going to do that by looking at the verb nadu, which means to cook, and I'm going to use rice where it is in the blank. So looking at these examples, you can see someone was cooking at the time, in this case me. Lau raisi na nadu va neganai. At that time I was cooking rice. Just cooked then, in terms of you, oi raisi ome nadu. You just cooked rice then. You already cooked, or he already cooked. You say ia raisi dane nadu. Is cooking at the moment. Lau raisi na nadumu. Cook right now. Oi raisi aine nadu. Will cook later. Gabeai. Ia raisi do baine nadu. So that brings lesson 2 to a close. Thank you for joining us for was, is, and is to come. I think for homework, you should probably go back and look at changing the verb tenses, the verb and the tenses. So changing rice out for maybe Wheetbix, and changing nadu for eating. And that way you can practice changing the verb tenses and talking in some little phrases. So thank you for that, and kurona.